I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your stitch braids. Before you watch this video, I'm going to tell you that if you're planning to make stitch braids, if you are interested, you want to learn how to make these stitch braids, I'm going to tell you to watch this video to the end, because you are really going to understand. And I promise you, after watching this video to the end, you are going to start making stitch braids. So just as you can see, I'm just using my edge control to smooth out the hair. So you can apply generously as much as you want. Yes, apply generously as much as you want. This is my dummy hair, so I don't really like my edge control to be too much on it. Okay, so now what you're going to be doing is, when you part the hair in the middle, first of all, before you part the hair in the middle, make sure that you part out the first hair that you are going to be using, and then you part the hair in the middle, just as you saw me doing. Now you start parting small pieces of the hair, just as you can see me doing, small pieces. And my advice to you is that if you're planning to make stitch braids, I feel like if you want to part your hair, make sure that your hair, you are parting small. Okay, don't part big section, don't section it big. Reason why I said this is, if you want your stitch braids to really come out stitched, like if you want it to really be looking so cute and nice, just as you see professional hairstylists do, make sure that you are parting out small pieces of hair. I'm going to zoom this so that you understand what I mean by parting small piece of hair. Okay, now so this is what I mean. Just keep parting the hair small until you come to the end. Okay, now after you are done with this side, we are also going to do the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to stop talking. I'm going to come back later though, but let me just leave you so that you understand. I'm going to come back later. So love, as you can see, I'm done with this side, I'm done with this one side. Now let's move over to the other side. So now if I want to part this one, I'm going to, from the other one I part, to section it, okay, so that it's going to be like, it's going to rhyme out. I don't you get what I mean? So it's going to rhyme out. Okay, so I'll keep on doing the same process, parting out the hair and making sure that it's equal, it's same straight line with the other one. Okay, now I'm just going to be doing this. I'll keep on doing it just like that until I'm done, and then I'm going to move over to the next step. Okay, just as you see me do, as you can see, this is, if you can watch very closely, you will see that it's very simple to make. Now this is beginner friendly. If you are new to making hair, I would suggest that you should just ignore the process that comes with it. This is very easy, even though it might be a little bit time consuming, but it's not that time consuming. It can only be time consuming if you are, the section you parted, if you are braiding it for too long. But what you are just doing, the edge control you applied on it is going to like help it stick. Okay, what you just need to is to braid a little. Okay, so as you can see, it's not hard, it's even very easy, because when you know that it's very easy is when you are about to braid it, like when you are about to do to feed in your stitch braids. That's when you are going to know that this thing I'm doing that looks like is hard, that looks like it's time consuming, that's when you know that it's very simple. Okay, just keep watching, you are just going to understand what I mean. So just as you can see, I'm done with the both sides. So let's start feeding in the braids. This is where you need to pay very close attention. You can see the first front hair I said that you should part out. This first front hair you parted out, you are not going to braid it, okay? This is where you need it, because that's where you are going to start braiding from. Now you just do as if you are making your normal knotless braids, and then you start feeding in this hair, okay? Feeding the hair into the middle. I'm going to zoom this particular video, I'm going to zoom this particular part so that you understand what I'm doing, okay? I'm just turning my dummy head so that you are going to be seeing what I'm doing very closely. So you will not say after watching this video that you still don't understand what I did here. It's very, very self-explanatory. Keep watching. You can see how I'm feeding in the braids in the middle. You can see how I'm doing it, okay? I also feeding the hair, braid, feeding the hair, braid, and then feeding hair. I'm going to braid, feeding hair. You can see this is where it is very, very simple, because you don't even need to stress yourself. You've already parted out your stitch. Braid, feeding hair. You can see feeding hair to the middle, braid, feeding hair to the middle, feeding hair to the middle, braid, and make sure that your hand is tight but not too tight, okay? Braid, then feeding hair to the middle. You can see you braid, then you feeding hair to the middle, and you make sure that once you are braiding, you will make sure that your cornrow is looking very neat. While you are braiding, if it's not in a straight line, if it's not looking very neat, then you need to start from the beginning until you are perfect, okay? Just have patience. You are just going to, if you try this particular pattern I showed you, you are going to be able to stitch braids, trust me, okay? If this video is very, very helpful to you, make sure that you press the like button of this video so that it's going to rank more and reach more beginners like you searching for this kind of tutorial. And also make sure that you drop a comment if you have a video request, and make sure that you press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, okay? I do hope this video is very, very helpful. Make sure that you watch to the end, and make sure that you drop a video request. If you have any braiding tutorial you want me to drop it in the comment section and share this video, okay? So this is the end result of the process I just showed you. What do you think about this particular process? Would you try it? If you are planning to make stitch braids, I would just tell you to try this particular process. You can see how neat it's looking. Yours will be more neater self. So give it a try. Come to this channel and drop a comment.